In this video, we will show you how to download video from Facebook. The requirement is the video that you want to download. It must be public. Okay? How you can see the public or not? You can see there is a globe button here. Okay? If you hover in here, it can be used to see the video is public or not. Okay? After you make sure the video is public, so you can click these three dot button icons and select copy link. Okay, this is just for example of the video. After that, you can go to an.safefrom.net. Okay, I will type again an.safefrom.net. Okay, after that, you can paste the link that you just copy here. Then click download. Please wait until the processing is done. Okay, it will be many options here. You can see. You can download the video based on what you want. For example, I download the full version. So you can just click this download. You need to HD or SD. I'm select high definition. Okay, just click save. You can see the download. Now you can just open the file to see the video is downloaded or not. Okay, let's verify the video is correct by playing this video. Okay, the video is correct with 3 minutes. This is also 3 minutes. Okay, if I move into here, you can see this is also 3 minutes. And that's all tutorial how to download a video from Facebook. Okay, make sure the video is public and you can copy link. After that, you can paste on the safefrom.net. Okay, that's all.